Hello guys, in Batam-Singapore, just a short distance from Singapore, a new premium development is rising, Serenity Central City. This project offers a luxurious blend of villa, a resort, and a vibrant commercial district. A showstopper, the 184-meter infinity pool with the breathtaking views of the Marina Bay Sands. We are a trusted developer with a proven track record of successful projects. We understand the importance of delivering quality and value to our investors. As such, you can expect impressive returns with up to 15% ROI annually in Indonesian rupiah. This is your opportunity to invest in one of Batam's most promising developments. Interested in securing your future today? Leave a plus in the comments and let's connect it.
Senyum Bangga by Serenity Central City.